So we just finished with the parade, Rimmy and I. Say hi, Rimmy.
Hi.
But we got a fucking flat tire. So now here we are in drag, trying to change a fucking tire. So be prepared for one of the most entertaining Snapchat stories you will see today.
Hi, Mitch's friends. This is Rimmy, and you know, things are getting serious because she is taking off her corset.
Hello. It's Rimmy's turn to work on jacking the car. Hi. Oh, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Rimmy Givler.
Lately our face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries.
How you doing there, Simma?
Lord, my face is gonna melt off. The wonderful home.
We've almost got the tire done. Oh, I wonder.
Is there any Pokemon around here?
Ooh, I hope so. So it doesn't look like there's any Pokemon over here, but still might catch something.
This is fucking sketchy. I was running to catch hepatitis. Fuck her off.
Woo! We did it!
So we just had a nice, lovely couple stop to try and help us. They didn't know shit, so I did it all myself anyways, but it was nice of them. There's a sailor.
Look at this tire. Look at that tire. It's almost as dirty as I am.
I ain't working on these rails. I've been working on the railroad all the live long days.
Rimmy's back, and we officially have changed the tire!
Hey.
Woo!
I
Yes!
think they're nuts for the bolts. We fucking got it done, and we are about to go back to the main stage.
Woo! Let's get it! I don't know what that meant.
I don't know.